Pakistan group is probably a little more tense than the other, but all the tension today is here in Dubai at the Dubai International Stadium. Right, here we are then. The numbers tell you that you win the toss and bowl first. And that's what both captains presumably will be thinking about once they get there. The two captains are out there. Let's go and meet the envision of the toss. The energy in this stadium is incomparable when these two nations meet. And I've got the captains next to me. Virat Kohli, India's captain, Babar Azam, Pakistan's captain. David Boone is the match referee. He runs up the coin. And Pakistan